my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. As a home cook, you know how important spices are. Too much of them and it's overwhelming. Not enough and it's boring. But when we get the right amount, it's magical. There's a spice blend my mother-in-law gave me that's perfect for holiday baking. Here it is. So let's get cooking. In a small bowl, we'll combine ground cinnamon, some ground cloves, ground ginger, which gives a nice flavor profile to the blend. There's also allspice that goes in, half a teaspoon of ground coriander as well as ground cardamom, and a little bit of both, ground mace and ground nutmeg. We'll give a good whisk until the ingredients are nicely blended. The gingerbread blend can be stored in an airtight container in a cool, dark place for up to 3 months. As you saw in this video, you probably have all the spices in your drawer to turn them into this fabulous German spice blend. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!